Mhm.
Duolingo sent me a notification to learn French again because I haven't been on that for months.
Uh, again, sorry. What did you say?
Duolingo sent me a notification to get back on because I haven't been on there for months.
Notification of.
Duolingo sent me a notification to get back on because I haven't been on Duolingo for months.
Oh, okay. So now let's start with ratio. Have you ever heard about ratio? Ratio.
Yeah.
What have you seen as a ratio? Ratio is like, okay, let's give the definition of ratio.
I forgot.
Ratio is something like 2 over 3,
23?
2 over 3, 3 over 5, 5 over 7, 1 over 10. All of these are ratio. So by the
Well, what's ratio?
yes. So the definition of ratio is a comparisons of quantity with the same units. The same units. For example, you have 5 pound over 7 pounds. So okay, so 5 pound over 7 pounds. When we have pound over pound, meaning with they are in the same units, so we can write it as 5 over 7. Why? Because units and unit can be simplified as well. Pound divided by pound is no unit. So ratio we normally see without the unit.
So like so 3 is greater than 2.
It can be like a 7/5. Also a ratio. Like numerator and denominator don't have to be like a which one is bigger. But unless it's not the whole number.
What?
Ratio is like numerator over denominators.
But numerator over denominator is a fraction.
It's a fraction. So, okay, let's give notation. So, now notation of the ratio. How can we note with the ratio? Notations of the ratio. We can write ratio in three different ways. In three different ways. Number one, we write as a fractions. So fraction is a ratio. So we can write as a fraction. For example, 3/5. That is a ratio. Another one we write as proportions. Proportions. Have you ever seen the columns? It's like this 3.5. Have you ever seen something like this? 3:5.
Yeah.
Yeah, or 5:3. This is all the also the ratio. Another one we can write the ratio as the words with words. Two, for example, 3 to 5, also a ratio. 1/3 is a ratio. 1/3. What is 1/3 equal to?
Hmm.
One,
1/3,
yes, is equal to
0.33.
0.33 as a decimal, but it's 1/3. Right? 1/3 is 1/3. But we can write it. We can write these as the word, which is 1/3, or we can write 1:3. This is all the ratio, or 1/3. So all of these,
Wait, 1/3? Why?
1/3. One. Okay, now 1/3 equal to 1:3 equal to 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All of these are equal, and all of these is called ratio.
Ratio.
Yes, ratio. We can either write it in fraction this way, proportion in this way, or with word this way. And that is all ratio. Ratio. Right. Make it nicer. Okay. Now example. 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 We have write a ratio of 15 miles to 45 miles. Okay, this is example like miles with S. ES. This is it readable? Write a
Yeah.
ratio of 15 miles to 45 miles. Okay.
Right, a ratio of 15 miles to 45 miles.
Yes. Okay. So when we write a ratio 15 miles to 45 miles, what do you prefer? Still with the word or
15.
the fraction
What is
or
that?
the proportions? Either way,
What is that little dot thing? Or what is it called?
columns. This,
College?
yeah, this is columns. Like point is columns. Or this is fraction.
15, colon, 45.
15 miles.
Colon,
Don't forget miles. Point columns. 45 miles. Correct? Can we simplify them?
huh?
Can we simplify them?
Yeah.
Yes. So, but do you familiar with the column and simplifies? It's okay. Like we can do. First of all, can we simplify
3 and 9
3 and 9? So
divided by 5. Just
divide by
divided by 5.
3.9, right? So first of all, we simplify the units, correct? We simplify the units, and then the number 15 and 45, we simplify with the 5. We get 3 proportion to 9. Can we simplify more, or is it a result?
No. Wait, yeah. 1, 3.
Yeah, 1, 3. So now we can write this as a ratio. And if you're not familiar with the proportion with the columns, you can write it as the fractions. This is the most popular one, right? Normally we can see with the fractions ratio. And then we simplify the amount. We simplify 15 and 45. We have 1 over 3.
Yeah.
Okay. One example 2. Example 2. Write 1.68 to 4.8. How can we write these as a proper ratio? Proper ratio means we already reduce them or simplify them. Mhm.
And then like we like divide it and stuff.
Yeah, we divide stuff. So this you can write it as
Do we divide it by 8? No. No, we don't. Sorry.
this
Do
is
we
this is decimal number, right? This is decimal number.
yeah, do
So
we divide by 4?
we first of all maybe we can see this and we're not familiar with, so we write it as the fractions. Over 4.8, correct?
Yeah.
Can we simplify this?
Yeah.
Simplify with the
4?
4. Yeah, simplify with the 4. But before simplify, when we have decimal with decimal, what should we do first? We when we have a fraction that is decimal number and decimal numbers, we should get rid of
The decimals?
decimal first. Okay, so to get rid of decimal, now numerator have 2 digits, correct? 2 digits. To get rid of these 2 digits, denominator have to go 2 digits too. Right?
Yeah.
Denominator have only 1 digit after the decimal. What should be the second digit after the decimal?
Motion 0.
0, yes, 0. So we can write it as 168 over 480, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this is like a number with number, so we can simplify them easily. We can simplify with the
4
4.
and 2.
Okay. Now, when we simplify with 4, we get the result of
Uh 4.2 over
do we have
1.
one? Do we have a decimal back?
Huh?
We already get rid of decimal. Now it's 168 over
Oh,
480.
42 over 14.
42 over
14.
14.
Nah. Wait.
Now 480,
Nah, it's 1.2. 1.2.
1.2. Oh,
It's divided by 4, right?
yeah, divide by 4, but we don't have a decimal. Not this, but this.
4. 480. Then it's 120.
We have 120, so
I
120.
forgot about the 0. I didn't write it down.
Yes. So 42 over 120. Now, already reduced or already simplified. Is this fraction is simplified fractions.
Huh?
Is
Yeah, we can simplify more.
we can simplify more, yes. We can simplify with that. Simplify with we can simplify,
6,
right?
we can divide by 6.
Divide by 6. So 42 divided by 6.
6 over 20.
What? What? When we simplify by 6 is
42 divided 7. 7.
yeah,
7
7
over
over 20. Yes. So 7 over 20, can we reduce more?
Huh?
Can we reduce?
No.
Okay.
No.
So this is the result.
Answer.
Yeah, the answer. So notes, a little note here. When we do the okay, note here, too small. Notes. Number one, when we write the ratio, number one, when we write the ratio, units are not written. Units are not written. Units are not written. Ratio, unit are not written. Number two.
If you hear me typing, it's my friend talking about a math problem on the. Sorry.
Oh, really?
It's just.
So ratio, when we write the ratio, unit are not written. The ratio can be reduced. In another word, it's simplify. Simplify. We need to simplify the fraction or the this to get the proper ratio. Simplify. Simplify. Okay. Okay, so a little note here. When we write ratio, are not retains, and we simplify that ratios. Let's give another example. Yeah, give the example to use. Another one. Examples 2 over 3.
Wait, so the notes, can you go back to the notes?
Oh. Notes. Number one, when we write the ratio, unit are not written. It's not
Okay.
£3 over £5, something like this. So you should not write the pound and a pound because pound and pound can be simplified. It's become 3 over. Ratio can be reduced. Should be like need to reduce, need to be reduced, need to be reduced or simplified. If we see like this, 42 over 120, we reduce to 7 over 20.
Okay.
Now example 2, oh no, 3, 113 over 15. So now for this ratio, we write this ratio 2 over 3 to 113 over 15. These two are the these two are the
Mixed numbers.
Mixed number. Can we write the mixed number as a ratio?
Two, 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 two over third, colon, one,
I love
13 over 15.
13 over 15. Right? And then can we
Wait, and
simplify the mixed number and mixed numbers?
huh?
Can we
Oh,
simplify it? No, right? So what should we do?
turn them into a decimal number.
Turn them into the decimal? Turn them into what?
Decimals.
Decimal. Is it decimal?
Fraction.
Fraction, yes. Turn them into fractions. So fraction 2 over 3. The first one,
The first one is 8 over 3,
h over 3, yes, a over 3. Colons,
colon, 28 over 15.
28 over 15, yes. What should we do next? It's the it's
Fine.
yeah, it's the divide of two fraction. Divide of two fraction. What should we do with division of the two fractions?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15,
We
4, 9, 8. The hold up. What do we divide by?
how do we divide two fractions? So
We find out.
yeah,
We see.
this is first fraction. Divide by second fractions. What should we do?
We divide them across.
We
We
mul-
simplify.
we multiply with the
G. C.
with the
No.
reciprocals of the second fraction.
What's a reciprocal?
Reciprocal is a flip. Right? Flip. Reciprocal is the flip of this. Have you ever heard the word reciprocal? Okay. So it's 8 over 3 multiplied by 15 over 28. I think you used to tell me it's a KCF.
Keep change flip.
Yes.
That's reciprocal. Flip.
The flip is reciprocal, yes. It's like this.
Okay.
Okay. Do you still remember like how to divide two fractions? Divide two fraction is the first fraction.
Okay. Okay.
We change the sign and we flip the second fractions.
Yeah, but you already did KCF.
Yes. But the normal word we call it like we multiply with the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, it's similar. So what is this equal to?
Let's look at 8, 6, 8, 16, 24, 4, 8. Is it 120? Nah, that's wrong. That has to 8, 16, 24, 4, 6. Yeah, no, that's right. 120 over 84.
With 20 over 84. Okay. Oh, and then we need to simplify them. Simplify and we get simplify with
We
the
simplify it.
yes, we
We
simplify.
divide. Do we divide by 2?
Divide by 2 we get
60 over 42.
42, right? Can we simplify more?
Yeah.
So simplify more, we get
3 divided by 60 again equals 30 over 21.
21.
And then we can add in more.
Let's simplify with the.
Huh?
This is not like a simplified form yet, so we
Yeah.
can simplify more, right? So we simplify with
Then it's just that, right? Or do we divide it?
we divide with the 3, right? Can we simplify with 3? This
14, 21. Oh, we can! It's
we
3
so it's equal
over
to
7.
10 over 7. 10 over 7 is the
Answer.
yeah answer, final answer. So okay, this is the answer, and actually you can do this, but in the other way.
Give me an example I can do.
Yeah,
Like alone.
yes. Oh, yes, yes. Okay. From this, actually, you can start simplify them because, like, when you get the result and simplify them one by one, sometimes it take a little time. You can give the correct answer, but take a little time, right? From here and then jumps to here and then jumps to here and get the answer here. On
Okay.
the other hand, we can start simplify them from here, from the beginnings. So 3 and 15, can we simplify them? 15 and 16 here,
Wait, 15 and
3 here,
15
isn't
over
it?
3?
Yes.
Yeah, we would divide that by.
But
No. No, we can divide that by 3 equals 1 over 5.
1 and 5, right? When we simplify the 3, 1 and 5. Can we simplify the this and this?
Can we simplify 8 and 28?
Yeah, 8 and 28.
Divide that by 2.
Divide by 2, we get 4,
4 and 14.
14. Yes. Do you think 4 and 14 can be simplified?
No.
4 is even number, 14 also the even number.
Oh, 4 and 14, it's 2 and 7.
2 and 7, okay. 2 and
But
7, so 2 and 7, right? So
is it that this that butterfly method thing magic they do?
it's like make it faster, make it faster. So then now 2 times 5 is 2 times 5
10.
numerator we know, yes, 10. 1 times 7 is 1 times 7 is
I said 7. 10 over 7.
okay, 10 over 7, so this is the answer. Right? So you don't need to simplify again. Okay, so I give you two example. No, two exercises. Right. 2.5, 3.15, and number two, 2 5 over 8, 2 8, 3 over 4. Okay, this is for you.
And twice shy. My eyes look like
Time it quickly and come back.
Christmas. Tree. I just want you for my own. Nothing you could do. Wait. Oh.
Giờ đi xong chừng máy đây thì tôi nhậu bồ chẳng đến bên nhà chẳng tại thế không ai đến đâu. Yes. Do you get the answer?
First of all, it will.
First of all is
Uh-uh.
second.
250.
250. So
Here, that's wrong, but I'm pretty sure I have an example wrote about that. Where's that?
so the number one is similar to this,
Sorry.
and number two is similar to this.
Oh, wait, yeah. Ah, okay. Wait. Ah, duh. Equals.
Mm-hmm. 4 and 3 points.
We don't need to. No.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Okay.
2, 8, 32.
Mm-hmm.
8, 62. Wait. 35 times 8 equals 0, 8, 16, 24. 280. and then we reduce that
Mm-hmm. And what is the fourth
to
answer?
best option 104. Then it's 42. And you still catch my breath. Wait, wait.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
You can divide.
The why?
Can you like divided like for example like you changed remember like example 3
Example
how like
here.
how we did the fraction.
Simplify from here to here.
Yeah, if can we change from can we just like suddenly like can we divide the fraction like 2 times by 2 and then divide it by 7
Divide by 7. Oh,
like after divided by 2 or no?
for example, this and this number can be simplified, isn't it? What you mean?
For example, like if I had like a fraction and I divided it 2 times by 2, can I just like go on to like dividing it by 7 or do I have to keep dividing by 2?
If if numerator divide by 2, denominator have to divide by 2 too.
No, like the whole fraction, they're gonna be divided the same,
The,
like by 7.
the whole fraction have to, so if numerator simplified by 7, this have to be simplified by 7 too.
Like if I divided the whole fraction by 2,
This whole
like 2 times, can I just switch from dividing by 2 to dividing by 7? Or can I not do that? Can I like have to keep dividing by 2?
wait, give me the example. It's easy.
For example, I divided 84 over 280 to 42 by 140.
Wait,
And now I got 21 over 70. And I was wondering if I can divide by 7
wait,
because I've been dividing by 2.
wait. Slowly. 84 divided by 200. You mean like 84?
So I got the answer of 84 over 280, right?
80. Okay.
Then I divided that by 2,
Okay, divide by
which
2.
was 42 over 140.
Correct.
Then I divided by 2 again,
Mm-hmm.
and I got 21 over 7. And I'm wondering, do I have to keep dividing by 2 or can I divide by 7?
Can we simplify with 2, first of all? First question.
No.
No. But can we
So
simplify
then I
with
divide
7?
by so then it's 3 over 10.
Yeah, so we can only simplify with 7, which is 3 over
10.
10. Yeah, so this is, can we simplify more?
No.
No, so this is the final answer. So from this to this we simplify with 2, from this to this we simplify with 2, from this to this we simplify with 7. Mm.
Yeah. Okay. So it's once bitten and twice shy. Something, something. You still catch my breath. Tell me, baby, something, something, something. Mariah Carey's better.
Yeah.
No, swear. You. Oh, for number the first one, it's
Answer is
I got 250 over 315 because I removed the decimals,
wait,
right?
250.
over 315, and
Yeah.
then I divided by what I divided by 5,
Mhm.
which equals 50 over 63. And now I don't think there's anything else to divide by.
So that is the final answer.
Yeah, is it right?
That's the that is correct actually. I,
And then
yeah.
next one
Firstly,
I
mhm.
got 3 over 10.
This 3/10.
Yeah.
Okay. So alright. So let's check together. Yeah, this we just get rid of the decimal, so 2.5 over 3.15 is equal to 250 over 315. And it's continue with this. And we simplify with 5, we get 50 over 43, and it cannot be simplified more. This is the correct answer.
Okay.
Alright. Now number 2, 5 over 8 divided by 8, 3 over 4. So it's mixed number divided by mixed number. We need to turn the mixed number into
Into a fraction.
fraction, which is 8 times 2 plus 5.
Equals 84 over 280.
So 8 times
Right?
16, with 16 plus 5 is
84. Wait. Sorry. 21 over 8
21 over 8 divided by
divided by 35 over 4.
35 over 4. Yes, 35 over 4. Now we divide two fractions. Fraction divided by fractions. We do the
21 over 8 multiplied
1 over
by 4 over 35.
4 over 35. And then it's equal to 21
84 over 280.
84 over
280.
280. And then this is equal
And
to
then we divide by 2, which equals 42
20.
over 140.
We divide by 2, which is
42 over 140
42 over 140. Yes.
equals to 21 over 70.
70. And last simplifications.
3 over 10.
3 over 10. That is the final answer, and that is correct. Okay.
Uh,
But on okay, this is correct, but if you are right here, you can do a little simplify without multiplicate without multiply them to get this answer. We can start simplify them. So 21 over 8 times 4 over 35. And we simplify the 4 and the 8.
Can I simplify 4 and 8?
Yes, can we?
2.
Yes, we get 2, right? So 4 become 1, 8 become 2. Correct? 4 and 8, so 1 over 2. Can we simplify 21 and 35?
21 and 35?
Yes.
I actually don't know.
Can we simplify with 7?
7, 14, 21, 20, 35. Yes, we can. It's 3 and 5.
3 and 5. Now the fraction becomes smaller, right? The
Yeah.
fraction is become smaller. Then let's multiply them. Numerator with numerator, 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 5 is
Where are you? Oh, okay.
10.
2 times 5 is 10.
So this is also,
That's way easier.
yeah, we can start here or we can go this. Both way are correct, but sometimes you don't want to deal with the bigger number like this. We tend to go like bigger number, and then we start reduce. For example, we cannot reduce to the end, to the final answer. uh, you get the correct answer but not the full marks. If you come only this far, you get maybe 9 out of 10.
Oh,
Right?
no.
So you need to simplify them and until the end, so we get 3 over 10. So this is the answer. Or on the other hand, we start simplify them, make the small number, and that is the answer too, and a little bit easier. Okay, so next is rate. I think we will continue with the rate tomorrow.
Leaving?
Yes. So we wrap up and we see tomorrow with the rate.
So let's wrap this up. Bye.
Bye.